Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. It's another installment in the PBE 2023 mini series. Today we are looking at Jen and berries. I have a few. I purchased these. This one was free and this one was a make me an offer, so I purchased it too, but I made an offer for how much I wanted to pay for it and it was accepted. And then she gave us a free nail file as well. This lady is quite generous with her offerings. They had a whole bunch of free polishes that people could choose from. They were like experimental ones, you know, things like that, over pores. So I picked this one. I thought it was beautiful, but let's make some swatches. Okay, so let's start with this white one. It is a white base with some white glitter and what may be a little bit of silver glitter as well. It is called Snowfall in Sunnydale. And just looking at the brush, that's looking really pretty. Let's paint it on though. Oh yeah, this has a really good coverage for a white actually. 2 coats of this I think would actually be perfect, but 1 coat is doing pretty well on its own. You could wear it that way if you wanted it to be a little bit sheer, but that is quite beautiful. Next, we're gonna look at this red one. It's got some big old gold flakes in it. I do have another polish similar to this from Maniology. I don't remember what it's called, but it came with the Alice in Wonderland box. And I can't remember if the flakes are gold in that one or red. I'm gonna have to check. But I got this one because I thought it was really beautiful. It is called Q Know Who. Alright, so it is a berry red. Dark and sweet, and those flakes are in here. Now, it is a bit hard to tell that they're gold because of the red syrup on them, but you can get a bit of a gold essence sometimes. I do like this one a lot. I am gonna have to compare it to that other one though. If they're pretty much the same, I will be shocked because I feel like the flakes in this one are bigger. Let's look at this one next. It's yellow and it's got flakes in it. There are yellow flakes that shift into orange. There are some little glitters that appear to be black. This one almost looks like scrambled eggs but seasoned with pepper. It's called Lazy Daisy. Interesting look. The base is actually pretty sheer. You would have to build up coverage, and it gives you that almost unicorn skin vibe with the flakes and the way that they reflect. I wonder what this one would look like on top of a black. It's pretty neat. Very interesting. Next we have this one. This one is similar to a lot that we've got with that purple, blue, green shimmer reflect situation. Berry Galaxy. This one's kind of dark. It's called His Friends Call Him Doc from Polish Pickup February 2022. Look at that beautiful shimmer. This one I think is going to work best in 2 coats as well, but it is quite nice. This is going to be a really great background for a galaxy or just to wear on its own. I am a big fan of that. It's really nice. It's almost visually textured, but it's not. Let's check out this Make Me an Offer polish. It was a bit of an interesting look. It's this off-white blue base with these assorted color glitters. Some small, some smaller. Really good opacity. The reason I liked this one is because it kind of has that candy coating vibe. If I could stay on camera, that candy coating vibe that I like. I had a polish in one of these other sets, I can't even remember which one, that had that same vibe. It's a bit of a hard shell candy coating looking with the specks, kind of like in the bird egg family. And then this one, bottle's got a little bit of something on it, but we ain't gonna look at that. This one I think is super fall time. It's orange and red and copper and burning and leaves turning and beautiful. It doesn't have a name, just OB16. All right, let's have a look at it. Oh gosh, it is exactly what I imagined it would be. This is going to be so wonderful when the weather gets cold and we're building bonfires and the leaves are falling. This is exactly the vibe that I think of. I am 100% gonna use this upcoming fall, and I'm super excited about it. These flakes just look like leaves on the ground. So that's my little gin and berries haul. What do you think? Which one's your favorite? I think this one's actually my favorite, coincidentally, but I think this one's the most interesting one. But I have many more of these to come. As I keep saying, there's so much, like so much. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.